How to use PTO to leave early at Walmart is a process that allows employees to request time off and manage their work schedule effectively. To start, it is essential to understand Walmart's attendance and PTO policies, which can be found in the employee handbook or by speaking with a supervisor. First, check your available PTO balance by logging into the Walmart One website or through the Walmart One app. This will provide you with the number of hours you have available to use. Next, determine the number of hours you need to take off and ensure you have enough PTO to cover the requested time. To request time off, log into the Walmart One website and navigate to the Attendance and PTO section. Select the date and time you wish to take off and follow the prompts to submit your request. You can also use the Walmart One app to request time off, making it convenient to manage your schedule on the go. It is crucial to submit your request in advance to allow your supervisor sufficient time to review and approve it. Ensure you receive approval from your supervisor before taking the time off, as this will prevent any attendance issues or penalties. Best practices for using PTO to leave early at Walmart include providing adequate notice, being considerate of your team's workload, and ensuring that your request does not conflict with any scheduled events or peak periods. It is also essential to review and understand Walmart's attendance and PTO policies to avoid any misunderstandings or misuses of your available time off. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively use your PTO to leave early at Walmart, allowing you to manage your work-life balance and attend to personal matters when needed. Remember to always review and understand Walmart's policies and procedures to ensure a smooth and successful experience.